Really great opportunity that I've got to go back and study and to be learning and to be contributing to my whānau, like my little, me, my partner and my daughter, like I want to give her the best life, that I can give her, and if that means I have to upskill myself and go and learn, then that is a huge motivator, and that just, that's what gets me through. I'm excited, I'm nervous. It's going to be an interesting next 4 years, but I'm really stoked to be getting back learning again, getting my brain, activated. My mum actually went and did Te Tohu Paitahi last year, which was, I think, definitely a big motivator for me to be like, oh, okay, if my mum can go back to uni, like after all these years and do something that's out of her comfort zone, then I can definitely do it, it's not that scary, but definitely a little bit stressed about, I think, spreading myself so thin, or trying not to spread myself so thin between, all the, like my daughter, my partner, the household, and being able to commit to my studies, working, but I think I just have to trust in the village that I've made around me, that everyone can pull their weight to help me do this. My mum dropped off my daughter at daycare today, so all those little things will start coming into play. But yeah, I think I just have to let some of it go. I think is the best way to put it, and just trust in everyone that they've got my back. The opportunity to give back to other people in our community, and whether that's here in Whāingaroa or going back to Taumaranui or going over to Samoa and doing work over there, like I don't think there's anything greater than doing things for people and helping them.